Hi friends, welcome to Lacksmiths 31. I'm Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to use Zn function in Tableau. Let's get started. Logical operations in Tableau. Tableau provides various logical functions to perform logical operations on our data. Logical calculations allow you to determine if a certain condition is true or false. In my previous video, I have clearly explained about logical operations in Tableau, and Zn is also a logical operation. That is why I've started with logical operations. This is just a recap of logical operations. Let's know more about how to use Zn function in Tableau. There are many logical functions in Tableau. Zn is one among them. It returns the expression if it is not null. Otherwise, it returns 0. That means Zn is a function used to convert the nulls to 0. For example, if you have um, a column with some nulls, for example, let me take sales, and if I have nulls in the sales column and I just want to display 0 instead of null, then I can use Zn function. Let me open Tableau public application and show you how to use Zn function in Tableau. I have opened Tableau public application. I have taken sample superstore data and I have created a new sheet and named it as Zn function in Tableau. Let me bring a column, customer ID. I'm adding all members and bring sales to row shelf. Let me bring this to label mark. So now we can see sales by customer ID. We have all records here and we don't have nulls. There's nothing we can do with this. So let me just create a calculator field and show you how to create or how to use Zn function in Tableau. Let me take Zn function first and place sales inside the braces and rename the calculation to Zn function. If there are nulls, it will return 0. If there are no nulls, it will return the number as is. So let's see. I'm going to click OK and bring the calculation to the row shelf and change it to discrete so that individual values can be displayed side by side. So Zn function, we can see the values over here. So it is displaying the decimal values also. We can format it and display it as is as well. No, we don't have null values. That's why we are not able to see zeros over here. If we have null values in our data, then we will be able to see 0 instead of null. Let me format it so that you can see similar values. I'm formatting it and changing the number format, standard and custom to 0 places. Now we can see the values which are similar. So here it's not changing anything. Wherever the null values are available, there it is going to display 0. Where the null values are not available, it is going to display the values as is. 5564, 5564. This is how you can use Zn function in Tableau. Since this is sample superstore data, we won't be having nulls. I have created a simple spreadsheet to show you how to use Zn function with a simple example. So I've taken student name and marks these two columns over here. Student name is nothing but the names of the students and their marks over here. And there is a null value. So let's see how we can use Zn function to convert this null value to convert to 0. I have opened Tableau public application and I have uploaded the simple spreadsheet which I have created, and I'm going to bring student name to Rochelle and marks to text. Now I'm going to create a calculator field and write the logic inside Zn of marks and rename the calculation to Zn test, and I'm clicking on OK. Now I'm going to bring this calculation to the row shelf. I'm converting the continuous measure to discrete so that individual values can be displayed. Now we can see the null value over here is being displayed as 0. So this is what a Zn function does. The null values will be converted and displayed as 0. So this is how you can use Zn function in Tableau.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.